name is Jazzy Higgins and I'm the Functions Manager here at the Boot Factory. We are open 7 days a week, trading as a very fast-paced cafe. We welcome small groups, big groups, and we host functions and events all throughout the week. I'm in contact with Nikki from Kwik Kopy at least once a week. We're constantly needing things designed or printed. I can just flick her an email and she'll get back to me so quickly. The process is really easy. She always understands what I need, even if I can't put it into words. Anything printed that you see in the Boot Factory comes from Kwik Kopy. So our menus, drink menus, our specials menus, stickers, business cards and function packages. Kwik Kopy make the running of our business easier because we can outsource all of our design and printing needs out to them. They're very efficient and prompt, and that allows us and our key staff to focus on the running of the business.